Hey guys, it's Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I am really excited to share with you what's cooking at the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for April. I've decided to simplify things a little bit at the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom, and I'm offering a new class. The Apron Builder Bundle class is the class for April, and it's available between now and April 18th. There are 3 ways that you can participate in this class. The first way is by buying the awesome Apron of Love bundle from my Stampin' web store, and the link is right below the video. If you purchase the Apron of Love bundle using this host code from my Stampin' web store, you'll receive the online classroom absolutely free as my thank you gift. Now, say you already have the Apron of Love bundle and you are you've already purchased it, or maybe you're a Stampin' Demonstrator, but you'd still like to get your hands on the class. The Apron of Love bundle class can be purchased for $15, and you can find all the information and a button to sign up for that at KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom. The third way to get the Kitchen Table Stamper Apron of Love online class is to join the Kitchenettes. When you join Stampin' Up! On my Kitchenettes team, you will receive all of the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom content absolutely free. It's my way of supporting my my team and my Stampin' Up! Demonstrators creatively. So 3 options. All the details can be found at KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom. Let me give you a quick peek at the projects that you make in this class. This beautiful card, no aprons here at all, we just use the accessory pieces. This beautiful note card with a fun little peekaboo inside that shows that beautiful Cake Soiree Designer Series paper. Don't you hate losing one side of the paper? With that card design, you don't have to. And then this fun and versatile Father's Day card, best dad ever, and you can absolutely switch out any of the greetings and make this any kind of card you like. We'll also learn how to make these adorable apron Hershey Nugget treats simple and easy. I simplified the process for craft fairs, and I just love the way these turn out. Okay, if you've got questions about the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom, Apron of Love class for April, email me, Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com, and I hope to see you in April in the online classroom. Thanks for watching.